The year of 2021 was a tremendous success for the cryptocurrency market. Metaverses are undoubtedly going to be a trend for the next couple of years. It's like a mix of Sims, Minecraft, and GTA. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, has been a buzzword of the year. What are they all about? Hello everyone, the year of 2021 was a tremendous success for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin hit record highs and so did the altcoins. Let's take a look at the most important events of the crypto market for the past year and see what crypto trends are waiting for us in 2022. Subscribe to our channel and ring on the notifications bell so that you don't miss new video releases. And don't forget to leave your comments and ask questions in the comments section below. As the time goes by, more and more major global corporations are turning their eyes to cryptocurrencies. Tesla shocked the market by buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. PayPal allowed U.S. residents to trade and store virtual coins, and Twitter added the ability to receive tips using BTC. The market is quite likely to react with volatility to the integration of large companies, so you can safely expect other giants besides Tesla to invest in cryptocurrencies as well. MasterCard has been announcing support of cryptocurrencies on its network throughout the year of 2021. When this happens, merchants will be able to accept crypto payments and banks will be able to compete with cryptocurrency exchanges. The integration is likely to happen in early 2022. Visa is also in the game. Selling transactions in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is already part of the company's strategy. By the end of the year, the company plans to develop a service that will allow customers of traditional banks to buy and sell digital assets. Most likely, the payment giants will conduct live trials of the technology in emerging markets and then continue to expand across developed countries. This should provide even more mass adoption for cryptocurrencies around the whole world. This year, something happened that many people couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. A country accepted Bitcoin as a form of payment. El Salvador's government officially announced this truly revolutionary move in September. It's probably going to lead to a downgrade of the country's credit rating, but the stage is set and it's highly likely that in 2022 a number of other governments will follow suit. Go ahead and write in the comments section if you want crypto to become an official tender in your country too. We'll see which country has the most crypto enthusiasts, and then we'll definitely discuss this in one of our upcoming videos. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are government-backed digital currencies. What are they all about? Is this a counter move that central banks came up with to deal with cryptocurrencies and stablecoins in particular? You see, it is believed that CBDCs will help regulate the monetary policy of countries, and they will also enable central banks to more precisely control the economy and respond to changes in real time. On the other hand, governments could gain direct access to end-user blockchain wallets, which could allow them to monitor transactions and impose taxes and fines, an idea that completely contradicts the decentralized foundation of cryptocurrencies. China, Singapore, Tunisia, and Ecuador, as well as Nigeria, have already launched CBDC, and we can expect more countries to follow them in the coming year. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, is one of the recent year's cryptocurrency trends. DeFi projects use smart contracts for wealth management, lending, staking, insurance, and other financial transactions with cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2021, the total amount of funds used in this sector exceeded $110 billion. DeFi is expected to continue expanding with the addition of traditional bank services in 2022, and the system might grow a few times more. GameFi is a crossroad of DeFi and the gaming industry. Users can now earn real money for playing games. The play-to-earn model has become so popular that the GameFi sector has already more than 1,000 different games. Now, there is a lot of potential in GameFi, and we can reasonably assume that in 2022, big game studios will enter the market with their products, pushing small competitors out of the way. Metaverses are undoubtedly going to be a trend for the next couple of years. After Mark Zuckerberg renamed Facebook Meta, this became obvious to everyone. The seriousness of his intentions besides renaming the company can be judged by his plans. He is planning to hire 10,000 more people and develop this direction in the next 5 to 7 years. The Decentraland project is one of the most vivid examples of a metaverse powered by a blockchain. It is a virtual reality platform on the Ethereum blockchain. It's like a mix of Sims, Minecraft, and GTA, where users can travel to different worlds, create their own, and buy and sell goods as NFTs. The incredible success of Decentraland and similar projects is sure to attract a huge number of new players to the GameFi sector in the coming year. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, has been a buzzword of the year. Digital art is selling at astronomical prices. For example, Beeple's Every Days, the first 5,000 days, sold for, guess how much? $69.34 million. Many artists, musicians, soccer clubs, and celebrities have made incredible profits by selling their NFTs. However, apart from art, NFTs can also be used in other ways. As soon as they validate ownership, NFTs can become a bridge between virtual and non-virtual realities. So it's safe to assume that NFTs will soon be used in transactions for the purchase and sale of real estate, vehicles, as well as payments for goods and services. So my friends, what do we see here? Most likely the trends that started this year will actively develop in the coming year as well. However, it is worth remembering that the strongest trend on the cryptocurrency arena, the main benchmark of the whole market, is the value of BTC. If the market becomes bearish in 2022 and the price of Bitcoin drops, it will definitely lead to a decline across all crypto sectors. But while Bitcoin is growing, it's best to look at the areas that will multiply in value due to the hype and boom in demand. Thanks for watching till the end. Make sure to subscribe and ring on the notifications bell. Thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments below the video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.